that if we want to have the blessings and no curse from Allah, no punishments of Allah, then we choose to obey Allah. Just recently we saw there were lots of flooding. There was so much typhoon. The water is a blessing. Rain is a blessing. But if Allah wants, Allah can make water and Allah can make rain. Is a curse for the people. Usually we know the fire is a curse. We know the fire is a curse. Fire is a burning and it's evil. But this same fire, Allah can make it blessing for the people when people are dying in the weather, very cold weather. And this same fire can save their lives. The same fire, we thought it is the evil, but the same fire is blessing for us when we cook our food on the fire. Otherwise, we cannot eat anything. We can just eat the fruits and some vegetables, but we can never eat the proper meal if there is no fire. So that is the power of Allah. Allah can make the things which we think is evil, Allah can make blessing for us. And the things which we see is blessings, Allah can make destruction for us. So look at this, what happened just recently. Millions of people were affected with flooding, with this typhoon. Millions of people. Millions of people become homeless. Evacuation center, people were living. Millions of people have no foods. We try to help. Many other people helping those people. We do our best to help them. And we should help them. But what is more help? How to stop these punishments? Come to Allah. Follow the commandments of God to go away from those punishments. The more we ask Allah, obey God and follow His commandments and ask the forgiveness. Not just obeying God, but ask the forgiveness. Allah forgive us, Allah don't inflict on us any punishment. The wars are the punishment. We pray to Allah to save us from the wars. We don't want that there will be war here between China and America, and then the Philippine people, 111 million people, will be affected with this war. We see how the war destroys the houses and cities and people's lives and everything. So we are living in this world for examination. And even in this world in examination, we need to protect us and our families and our communities from the punishments of God. And the things is to do, obey God, don't disobey God, and ask Allah forgive us. Forgive us that we are not fulfilling all your commandments. And forgive us for whatever the forbidden things we are committing. And give us power that we always follow your commandments. And give us power that we will not disobey you.